Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. To our new subscribers, I am Emma Graphics. We appreciate you joining us. Um Guys, I need 25 more subscribers to unlock live button on my channel. Okay, so because I believe that if we can go live, we will be able to interact and learn more. I believe by going live, we will learn more, interact more. There will be some sort of engagement in between, rather than me just posting videos and not going live. All right, I really want to go live with you guys. So, and I can't do that if I don't have this number of subscribers. I need just 25 more subscribers in order to unlock that live button. So, and we can do this, guys. We can do this. It's just that you guys are not, I believe you guys are not sharing my video. That's what I believe. I don't know if you are doing it or not, but I just believe that assuming you share my video, I would have gotten these 25 subscribers long time ago. So kindly share my videos, guys. Share my video, like, comment, recommend the video so that other people can learn as well. I've been posting a lot of tutorial, so share, just share, click that like button, comment, share, so that other people can see the video and then subscribe as well, so that I can unlock this live button, because I really need it so that we will be able to go live and interact with each other. All right, okay. Having said that, I know I just can't end this video without showing you what I have on my screen, or on your own screen. You can see, as you can see, you see this kind of a thing on your screen. I think it looks like a let's just say a flower, shape design that I did. I did this couple of hours ago. So I just want to show you. I didn't want to do any design, but I just can't end this video without showing you something or one technique. And I did this. I achieved this with this blend tool right here. So we are going to try to uh, achieve this. So quickly come down here and grab your ellipse tool and click and drag like this. You have something like this, and once you have it like this, you have to duplicate it. You click here and drag down. All right, then you select two of them and press Ctrl or just press C. You don't need to press Ctrl, just press C on your keyboard. It will come down here. So the next thing you are going to do, you are going to give it a color. Give this one this color, and then give this one something light color, something like that. Like that. I prefer this. So something like this, guys. So then you select both of them again, and then come down here to your right hand side, this X, then right click on it, so the outline will just disappear. So the outline that we have here is no more because of that action that we took just now. So the next thing you are going to do is to just click on any of these. Just click and then come down here and click on this. Sometimes when you come here, what you will see is this drop shadow, because this is drop shadow dialog box. So once you come down here, you need to click this. I don't know how to call this black thing that you are seeing right here. Just click on it. So once you click on it, this option will come out. So you will see blend. Just click on blend, and then the next thing you are going to do, this is what you do: you click and drag to achieve that. All right, so after achieving this, the next thing, in order to turn it something like this, you are going to group this, um, select two of them and right click on it, and then you click on, you will see group, then you click on group. So once you click on group, the next thing you are going to do, we are going to duplicate this just like we did earlier. Click and drag down. All right, then you release, then select both of them, press C on your keyboard. This is what you have. Then you click on this particular one. Once you click on this one, so the next thing you are going to do, you see, you double click on this thing will change. Before, what we have was this one that looks like what's it called, selection. So once you click on it again, you will have the rotation one. This one is to rotate. All right, then you take this center one all the way down here, something like that. So then you click on this and move it around. Click and drag to either the right side, if you want to move to the right or the left. Then you right click immediately and release from the mouse. Release your hand from the mouse. Once you right click, immediately remove your hand from the mouse. Okay, you have a duplicate. So do the same thing to this particular one on the left. So what you have to do next is to select the two duplicates you made. All right, so then you press Ctrl page down on your keyboard. All right, Ctrl page down will take them to the back. All right, so that's it, guys. That's how you achieve that. So all you need to do, I don't know, what do you call this? What do you call this particular one now? Is it stem when in a flower or whatever it is? So this should be stem or what? That's stem. Okay, so we are going to get that or draw that stem. All you need to do, you just come down to this particular pen tool and click on it. So once you click on the same arrow that we did the previous one, so that's what you are going to do here. You click, so all these options will come out: the freehand tool, the point line, the bezier, pen, and whatever. So I think you can use any one you like. It's just to draw something, so you can use any one. So I always prefer this particular pen tool, so I'll click and drag like that. All right, so I'm just going to leave it like this, guys. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to just give a take this part out and then something like this. Use my shape to give it a little bit of shape like that. So we can give it the outlines maybe 5, and then you give it a color as we are using. This is the color we use. So something like this, guys. So it's not difficult, guys. Just not difficult. I guess that's how I did that. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. And like I said earlier, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Share this video, like, so that other people can join and also benefit from this tutorial. I'll see you in my next video, which of course I will be posting my new video very soon. So see you guys. Bye for now.